Welcome back to That LA Garage. Today we're going to do a little different video. We have Adam LZ's old GT3 2022. The purple one that he crashed on the tail of the dragon. It's going up for sale today on Copart. We have, how many minutes? Alright, so we got like 60 minutes left or so. It's in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'll show you some pictures of it. Let's see the damage. So overall over here, the driver's side looks pretty good. What's interesting here is that the title is a clean title, it looks like. Tennessee title, certificate of title. So it's not even a salvage or a MV form or anything like that. And right now, current bid is at $158,000. It's on reserve at the moment and has front end. It says here it's from the insurance company. Progressive front end damage, undercarriage damage is a secondary, which it's obvious. We see the front end. So okay, over here looks like the headlight on the driver's side is good. Fender is possibly fixable. Nothing looks like anything's wrong on the driver's side, except for the airbags, obviously. The rear of the car looks good. The rear door jamb looks good. It doesn't look like it got pushed back. So that's good. Structurally, the car has stayed intact. Again, this is through the pictures that we're seeing here. You see the body line is good. So that's definitely a good thing. It looks like the front fender got pushed into, so you probably have to repaint the passenger door, sorry. And you could see here that the damage wasn't even that bad. Fender I would replace. The rim looks like it got damaged. Obviously we need a front bumper. The bumper support doesn't look like it got hit at all, even touched. So the whole radiator and condenser that was in this area here is not there, obviously. So that is gone, but those are all bolt-on pieces. If you need any tabs or something, sometimes you could weld in some tabs. It would be nice to have the parts that came off, because you never know. There's a little hardware and stuff that's, gets pricey. There's a radiator in there in the center too. You might have to price out to get it, to need to buy it, but that's not even a big deal. So we're talking here. Let me see the hood. The hood looks good too. We're talking about fender, headlight, bumper cover, radiator. Since it's a GT3, parts are very expensive. I would say parts will end up costing you about $10,000. But if you try to get a used headlight that would save you, a bumper cover or something, you could get away with $7,000 on this. So you can see the hood looks good. It stays with the body line. It lines up with the duct work underneath it. Again, let's look at the back. Nothing. Airbags, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have two of the aprons, one under the driver's seat, like the legs of the driver. Steering wheel. So we got here 5 airbags. That's gonna cost money. So put another, let's say, $4,000 into the budget, and these things are selling for like $350,000 now. There is definitely a markup, and this has some heritage. This is from Adam LZ and the Tail of the Dragon. I don't know, man. If this thing goes for like 150 grand, no, it's up for 160, but I can't say it's a steal for 180, but it's, with the market that's so crazy, it's also a rare color. All right, so auction is starting 158. Just went up to 159. California. Oregon, 160. 160. Oh, bonus time. It's still on reserve, so if this guy wins it, he has to battle with the insurance company to see if they'll let it go. Otherwise, they're going to repost it. And 160. Would you buy this? Comment down below. Tell me if it's a good deal or not.